I'm back. I don't want to start the video this time saying welcome back, I'm Charmaine. I'm kind of tired of that. Like, I want to try something new. Anyway, also I'm excited because I got the BPerfect Carnival 3 palette. I've been wanting this palette. I didn't know where everybody was getting it, but I had seen it and I wanted it, and then I found out about Beautybay, so I bought it off of Beautybay, which is based in the UK, and I want to do a look. So this is the palette. These colors are so beautiful. I want to do like a purple smoke. That's what I'm thinking in my head. So like some purple, and then I guess like a purple smoky eye is what I'm thinking, and then a pop of green, or maybe a pop of, yeah, probably a pop of green. That's what I'm thinking. So we're gonna get in this look. Who knows how it's gonna turn out? We will see. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. And then this palette does have color names, which I like when they have color names, because then I can call out the color names for you. So I'm gonna jump into, I'm thinking I'm gonna put, because I want this to be like colorful, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use like, I'm gonna use this color. It's called Bear. I wanted to use orange, but I'm just gonna go in to Bear in my crease. And I know I'm just getting started with this look. It's going to be just the eyeshadow portion. When I do my face, I'm gonna go off, come back. So that way this video is a bit shorter, because I think my last 3 videos have been a bit longer at about almost 30 minutes. So want to put a short video out there. So this will just be my eyeshadow. And then of course, before you see this video, you'll actually see the actual Beautybay haul. So I still have that to go up, and there were 5 palettes in that haul. So I do have some other fun palettes to show you. So this is actually really nice, pigmented. I've blended that all the way in. I am going to be blending the purple into it. So let's see, which purple should we do? I'm thinking I'm going to blend, because I'm just winging it. So I think I'm gonna blend Tahiti into that. Maybe I should have did grape, but let's see what Tahiti's looking like. Okay. I think I'm gonna go over with grape and just jump right into the wow. All this anyway is gonna end up being like smoked out and black, and I wanted to transition from like light purple to the darker purple. But right now I'm just focusing on my crease. So I don't mind that my crease looks a little bit pink, so that way it blends out nicely. I'm trying to make it like a pinkish purple. Make sure my creases are the same, and I'm not going to cut my crease. I'm just going to go over, because I really want to see what the pigment looks like without having to cut my crease. So there are 3 shimmer shades I'm looking at. I'm looking at this one that says Blue Moon, this one that says Rose Pink, and I'm looking at Starlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch each of those. So I'm gonna swatch Rose Pink, which is nice. Then we're gonna swatch Starlight, ooh, which is really nice. And then we're gonna swatch Blue Moon. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is, these kind of don't look, let me see if I build this up. I mean, you can build it up, but I think what I'm gonna do is put a matte color on my shade, and then put the shimmer over it. So for the matte color, I'm going to go in with, I'm gonna fade it from Lilac to Tahiti, and then go into Fruity, and then maybe Blackberry, or maybe, yeah. Let me see how Lilac comes out. I don't want it to be too light. I might just do lilac on the like very inner part here. So let's see how many shades we can fit on our lid. So just this inner portion is lilac, which is very, very pretty. It's like a soft pastel color. Now we're gonna go into Tahiti again, which Tahiti's in our crease, and we're gonna pack that right next to lilac. Maybe I won't do a shimmer. We'll see. Okay. And then we're going to go into, ooh, I want to go into grape. And I'm just kind of patting that to help blend them. I feel like on camera it's looking kind of like a pinkish look, but these are definitely purples. Okay, let me blend grape a little bit forward so I can bring in more purple. I might have to change that lilac. Okay, it really does look pink on the camera, but not in person. In person it looks like I'm doing like shades of lavender. But anyway, let's go into blackberry, and I'm just using the same brush. I haven't switched the brush. Okay, and then what I do is like, so I blend it back from light to dark, and then when I get to the dark, I start going back and blending the colors from dark to light. So I'll kind of reverse my colors. So grape was just before that. I'll go back in with the grape and just kind of pat that back and bringing it forward. Just to make sure that everything like blends well and looks good. And then I went in with Tahiti. So now we're bringing Tahiti. Okay. Did I bring grape blackberry forward a little bit further? Okay, perfect. I like the front. Now I just have to make sure, like I feel like this blackberry shade, the darker shade, is blended further than on this side. They need to look like they're showing up to the same family reunion. So I'm gonna go back in and just kind of pat that a little bit forward. Okay. And I'm literally just patting it. I'm not swiping at all. I'm just kind of patting to make sure they blend together. All right, perfect. I love it so far. Now the black. So there's a color in here called Black Beach. I'm going to put that on the outer corner. I'm gonna take this brush here. It has some black on it, so I think that this is usually what I use to kind of smoke out my eye. And I'm only gonna put it. And I still have to do my eyeliner. Is this not showing up? Okay. So I'm gonna do a black eyeliner as well. Okay, I'm blending it into blackberry, but I'm not making it overtake blackberry because I still want that deep purple there on the outer edge, but I am making sure like this point right here is like very deep in black, especially this part. But when it comes to here, I'm just kind of flicking it forward. Okay, do the same thing on this side. So I want the point to be black, and then kind of bringing that black forward into the blackberry color, but not overtaking it. And of course I use my handy dandy tape to make sure that I stay in line. All right, now let's go ahead and I'm going to go off, do my face, put my eyeliner on, and then I'm going to come back and then we'll finish off the eyes. All right, I am back. So I went ahead, did the rest of my face. I did mascara. I used the Essence mascara, Dramatic Volume Unlimited. This is one of my favorite ones to use, so I use it a lot. For my lips, I went and used this Essence lip liner in the color 15 Honey Berry. And then I used the Purple Rain from the Lip Bar. So that's on my lip, and over top of this, I use this Wet n Wild lip gloss in the color Scorpio. It's the color Scorpio. So I put that over top. In my waterline, I did this purple ColourPop cream gel liner, and this is the color Piggy Bank. So now I just have to do my under eye and my inner corner. So I've been thinking for my under eye, I actually want to go with a lighter purple. So I think I'm just gonna use lilac because I use lilac at the beginning here. So I'm just gonna go underneath with lilac to keep that light since I already have a purple in my waterline. Okay, these colors are, this eyeshadow is actually really powdery because I see like the eyeshadow powder like flying around, which is fine for me. So I think I want to deepen up and use a deeper purple for right here. So I'm going to use Grape just for that outer corner to deepen that up. And now for the inner corner, I know this is like a purple look and I said purple smoke, but I really want to use this Tahiti green and see if this adds some like pop. So we're gonna put this in our inner corner. Okay, I like that. I think I'm gonna have to do another look with this purple and green because I really like the way purple and green look together. So this is the finished look. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this look, and also leave a purple heart in the comments. Thanks for watching.